Subscribe to our channel. VPM helps you start and run your remote business. Watch this if you're planning on opening a Shopify store. In this video, we'll go over the pros and cons of a Shopify store and how to set it up. First things first, what is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses like you to manage your products, payments, and shipping in one place. It gives you a way to effortlessly sell your products to a large audience of consumers, both online and offline. You're able to sell your products through multiple places, such as through websites, online marketplaces, social media, mobile, and in brick-and-mortar locations. Let's get into the pros of Shopify. Shopify comes with a handful of advantages that first-time business owners can benefit from that include storefront options. It has over 100 professional, desktop, and mobile-ready storefront templates to choose from. It's easy to use. The best thing about Shopify is that you can manage and build an online store regardless of your technical web knowledge. Single e-commerce platform. As mentioned earlier, you can manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping with all one single platform. Simple integrations. Shopify allows you to manage your business in a comprehensive manner, integrating with 1,200 apps available in the Shopify App Store. These apps can cover everything from SEO, email marketing, drop shipping, and customer service, to name a few. Dedicated customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via phone, live chat, or email, so you can always reach out for support. Helpful online resources. On the Shopify community forums, you can find answers to common questions. And for new ideas on how to run your online store, you can check out the Shopify blog. What are the cons of Shopify? Shopify's biggest disadvantage is that it's costly to manage. On top of your monthly fee to use Shopify, you'll also be charged a per transaction fee on credit cards. That fee increases if you don't use Shopify payments. Some other costs to take into account are store theme, shipping costs, and third-party applications. It's also important to consider the associated costs if you're moving your current online store to Shopify. You may need the help of a Shopify web developer for your customizations to transfer your products from a particular platform. What do you need to set up a Shopify store? You can find a step-by-step guide article in the quick links, where you'll find a list of things you should consider in order to successfully launch your store. For now, here's how to get started. Create an online Shopify account. Step 1. Create an email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Create a store name. This is the name customers will use to find your business, and it's displayed on every page of your Shopify store. It's also included in your Shopify store URL in the format you see on your screen. Step 3. You'll be asked for additional information about your name, business address, phone number, what you're selling, and your business's revenue. Important note, you'll need an address to use with merchant, payment, banking accounts, as well as other website information for your Shopify store. The most important reason why you need an address, you'll need it to protect your privacy on all public-facing places with your customers. If you're concerned about your privacy and don't want to use your home address, using a virtual mailbox option is your best bet. Consider using VPM. Check out the links below. Before you go, don't forget to check out all related videos and articles from our channel. And if you have any more questions or things you want to know, leave a comment in this video. Learn more.